Have you ever wondered how IT professionals manage hundreds or even thousands of computers from a single dashboard? Well, you are in the right place because in today's video, we will show you how to use Kaseya IT management software as a complete beginner. We will keep things simple, practical, and easy to follow, so even if you've never used the platform before, you'll be able to understand the basics. So, let's begin. Kaseya is a comprehensive IT management platform designed to help businesses and managed service providers, or MSPs, manage, monitor, secure, and automate their IT environments. It provides tools for endpoint management, remote monitoring, patch management, cybersecurity, backup and recovery, IT documentation, and workflow automation, all from a unified platform. Now, this helps IT teams improve efficiency, strengthen security, and reduce the time spent on repetitive tasks. When you visit the Kaseya website, which is going to be www.kaseya.com, you'll find a login button on the top right corner, which is going to be this one. Simply click on it and enter your credentials to access your account through the Kaseya portal. Now, if you are new to Kaseya and want to explore the platform before making a decision, you can also click the request or get a demo button. During the demo request process, you'll provide the information about your business such as your company size, IT needs, goals, and budget. A Kaseya product specialist will then schedule a personalized demonstration to show how the platform works and explain how its features can address your organization's specific requirements. This allows you to evaluate whether Kaseya is the right IT management solution for your business before committing to a purchase. But if you don't want to go to all these for now, and just wanted to know more about the platform, it's okay. What we can do is go back to the main homepage because we can still learn more about the platform by going all these sections on the top menu. Now, the Kaseya platform brings all your IT management tools together in one unified experience. With centralized visibility, seamless integrations, and a single interface, you can monitor, manage, and secure your entire environment more efficiently. Everything you need is connected, making day-to-day IT operations simpler and more productive. Number one is going to be the Kaseya 365 endpoint, providing a comprehensive protection and management for every device in your organization. It combines endpoint monitoring, security, and patch management, backup, and automation into a single solution. With continuous protection and proactive management, your endpoints stay secure, compliant, and running at peak performance. You also have the 365 user, focusing on protecting and empowering your users. Now, it helps secure identities, safeguard user data, and simplify access management while enhancing productivity. By protecting the people behind the devices, organizations can reduce security risks and provide a better user experience. Although they also have the 365 apps, which is built to optimize the IT operations end to end. It helps team improve service delivery, streamline workflows, and gain better visibility into business performance. With integrated tools and automation, IT professionals can manage operations more efficiently while delivering greater value to their customers. Not only that, you also have the automations, which is going to be the heart of the modern IT management. Kaseya's automation and capabilities eliminate repetitive tasks, accelerate issue resolution, and ensure consistent processes across your environment. From routine maintenance to complex workflows, automation frees your team to focus on higher value initiatives. And then the new feature here in Kaseya is going to be the product updates, wherein you can stay informed with the latest products from Kaseya because this highlights new features, enhancements, and of course, performance improvements, important fixes across the platform. Keeping up with these updates ensures you're making the most of the latest innovation and capabilities to your organization. Now, if we go to the solutions, Whether you're an MSP or part of a corporate IT team, Kaseya provides solutions designed to simplify and strengthen IT management. Now, for managed service providers, Kaseya helps automate daily operations, improve service delivery, and efficiently manage multiple client environments from a single platform. All the while, the corporate IT teams streamlines the internal operations, helping organizations secure devices, support employees, and maintain reliable business systems. You can explore Kaseya solutions based on your specific needs. For example, if you wanted to have a backup and recovery, what will happen is it helps you protect critical business data by ensuring files and systems can be quickly restored in the event of accidental loss, hardware failure, or cyber attacks. And then, the endpoint management gives the IT teams centralized control over computers, servers, and mobile devices, making it easier to deploy updates, monitor performance, and enforce policies. And then you have the security, providing layered protection against cyber threats through the tools that help detect vulnerabilities, defend endpoints, and respond to potential attacks. And then you have the IT operations, focusing on automating routine tasks, monitoring system health, and improving overall efficiency, allowing teams to resolve issues before they impact users. And then you have the IT risk management, helping organizations identify, assess, and reduce risks by improving compliance, strengthening security practices, and minimizing operational disruptions. And finally, you have the networking, delivering the tools to monitor, optimize, and secure network infrastructure, ensuring reliable connectivity and smooth business operations. Now, if you wanted to know more about Kaseya and to gain more insights, I wanted you to go to the resources. Number one is going to be the resource library, which is going to be your central hub for valuable guides, ebooks, white papers, webinars, and you have the option to explore any expert resources designed to help you improve IT operations, strengthen cybersecurity, and stay informed with the latest industry insights. Not only that, you have the case studies, discovering how organizations around the world have achieved real results with Kaseya. For example, you wanted to learn more about this specific case studies, showcasing the customer success stories, highlighting the challenges they faced and the solutions they implemented and the measurable outcomes they achieved. And then finally, you have the blog. You can stay updated with the Kaseya blog section. You can read expert articles about cybersecurity, for example, MDR versus MSSP, IT management, automation, compliance, industry trends, and some best practices to help your business stay ahead in ever-changing technology landscape. And that's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you again in the next video.